Hey, bud. We got somebody for you to meet, man. Hey, bud. Hey, Haddon, that's your little sister there. What do you think about her?
Off, so he's not, because he did walk
See, babe. Little Eden. See, little Eden? Where are you going? You want to see her?
It's a squinchy room compared to your other one,
Yeah,
don't
it's
you?
a little small. You see her? What do you think? It's baby. You see her?
Excuse me. Hey, bud.
You take your jacket off? Take your jacket off?
I hope he doesn't look, I mean, I hope he looks like
He looks just fine.
well, I could have gotten a little collared shirt.
No.
Is that little sister?
1164.
Is that baby?
1164.
We missed you, bud.
She's here to stay, man.